Hello guys, today we are talking about the kryolan professional makeup. This is the first kit which I bought when I was learning the makeup thing. So I never got a chance to make a video for it because I rarely use it. I use it just on the special occasions when I want to use a multi-layer or where I just want to conceal my eyes. So today I'm gonna use it. I'll show you. First of all, this comes in like so many shades. This one I got it from India. Yes, this is the kryolan professional makeup, and this is in the shades Jaipur 2. If you can read, Jaipur 2. So this comes in Punjab, Jaipur, and the 1, 2, 3 versions of that. So when I will show you, this got a little bit of the little molds with the different colors. So I'm gonna use it. I'll show you like how we're gonna use it. So first of all, I have to look if I have dark circles. Then I'm going to use one color darker than my skin. For example, this one. This is one color dark, one tone dark. I'll show you. You don't need to put anything in your face, even the foundation it covers. My skin is prepped, as you all know how I prepare my skin, and I'm gonna take generous amount, and then I'm going to you saw how much I took, and you can instantly see the difference from this eye you can see. So I'm not gonna use this side so you can feel the difference. I just try to conceal I don't have much dark circles, and I'm sleeping now well because my work is off due to holidays, so I'm getting a good sleep. It's getting better now, so now you can see. Now I'm on top of this, you can either use your regular foundation, but I prefer to use the same product on top of it. So the next color which is to my skin tone is ivory. Ivory is a very common color which suits Indian fair tones. So with a different finger, I'm going to take the ivory, and only this much, and I'm going to use it on top, and that's it. Then I can use it on my whole face, but this is specially for this is the best product for concealing, even for bridal makeup, for party makeup. Most of the parlors are using this kit, and when you see the difference, I use like very tiny amount, and you can see the difference. This is my eye with no makeup, dark circle little bit. This is my eye with the concealer, minimum amount, and no foundation. I haven't used any foundation. This is just for the eye, and then you can go ahead, you can do your top lid, you can do whatever makeup or you want to do. So this is a very, very basic thing. This is something I'm using from like last year. I'm using it rarely, but today I thought I'll make a video out of it and I'll show you guys. So if you guys want, you can go for the Jaipur 2 color, and this is a kryolan professional makeup kit. This is enough. Even you can mix it with a foundation and make it your tone. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you.